Hello and welcome, and in this video I'll show you how to use and customize the backup feature on your iPhone 16e. So what is the backup feature? For example, I have the screenshot set up, so when I double tap on the back of the phone, it takes a screenshot, and you can set, for example, your light or something to it. It's your preference. So let's go to settings, now accessibility, tap on touch and tap on back tap, and here you will be able to adjust these options. You can set it to none if you want, and you will have the options here. For example, you can set your camera or spotlight, your torch, volume up, volume down, and other stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.